Hello there, I'm Marty Monster. Welcome to the Bingel Live Archives. First of all, Happy New Year! Hopefully you had a wonderful holiday season. We took a little break from uploading because of the holiday season. Hopefully you had a good holiday and a very Happy New Year to you all. This is our first video of 2026. We are in February of 2021. Around the time Maryland is about to get slammed with snow. A good 3 to 8 inches of snow, actually. But it was also a very exciting time for Muppet fans, as the Muppet Show was about to drop on Disney+. Now let me be clear, this is not the new Muppet special coming out, premiering February 4th. This is the old Muppet Show, the global phenomenon from the 70s and 80s. Well, early 80s, I should say. But all 5 seasons of the Muppet Show were going on Disney Plus at that point. So we were very excited. Also, we talk about at the time, new project we were working on, though sadly this never came to be. So enjoy us talking about that nonetheless. It is a solo show, so it's just me. You're stuck with me. Enjoy this classic Bingel Live show from February 2021. Enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, Bingel Live is on the air. Woohoo! Interesting choice of music tonight. Yes, welcome to the show, everybody. My name's Marty Monster. Matt Bingel's over here. He'll be on a little bit. Yeah, this is the show before the big birthday bash next week. It's a big show. Well, this isn't, but hold on. Hey, how you doing? Good to see you. Alex, good to see you. This is not the I will say real quick, this is not the birthday bash tonight. It's next week. That's the big birthday bash for Mr. Matt over here. His birthday's coming up in a week and a half. And so next week, we're going to have a big 2-hour birthday bash with a lot of great special guests. And it's going to be wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful show next week. And it's going to be a lot of fun. What's more about tonight, though? How's everybody doing? How was your week? Hope it was a good week. My name's Marty Monster. Matt's over here. Yep, he's over there. He's not relevant right now, but, my hands. Oh, piled up there. Peak Animations, how you doing? Good to see you. Yes. Yes. Wonderful to see all of you tonight. It's gonna be kind of a short show tonight. We really have nothing planned, honestly. Hopefully you folks enjoyed Saki the Sock Puppet on our show the last 2 weeks. That was a lot of fun. Honestly, kind of jealous of him that he met Brett Iwan, though. We're still friends. What do you expect? For those who have not been in the specific group chat, we have been expecting... Hey, Rogue. We have been expecting a very special email from someone very special. Hi, Angie. Good to see you here. Adela. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hi, Angie. How are you? Good to see everybody here tonight. Good to see everybody here tonight. Yep, once again, my name's Marty Monster. Good to see you. yeah, hopefully folks enjoyed the last 2 weeks. Sorry for a little quiet. We're still sending this video over to some other folks. Thank you for the love. Appreciate it. There we go. I like this music. Good to see you folks. Again, we hope you enjoyed Saki the sock puppet on our show the last 2 weeks. That was a lot of fun. He actually made his third appearance on our show last week, and that was a lot of fun. So, yep. Congratulations first off to our pal Corey. Just hit 2,000 followers on TikTok last night. Congrats, Corey. So happy for you. Yeah, so, again, hope everybody's doing well. Yep, big congrats to Corey. Yay. Congratulations, Corey. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, hope everybody had a good week. Quick reminder, next week we're doing a special 2-hour show for Matt's birthday next week. It's not this coming Sunday, but the following Sunday, the 28th. And we're going to do some very, very special things for his birthday next week, all next week. So be sure to stay tuned to this very page, the Dab and Bingo Instagram page, next week, all next week. It's going to be really special, and we're even expecting something from a very special friend. We can't say who yet, but some of you know. Most of you do not. Just stay tuned to this page the next few days. You'll see. Yes. Let's see. Any new emails? No, not yet. Well, I think we made a decision on one thing. I think you're gonna have to graduate in August, which is fine. Yeah, you haven't paid for graduation yet, right? No, because I was debating if I was going to graduate in June or August. Yeah, because your English professor, no offense, a little wacko. No, it's just, I don't know. But it's alright. I'll just take it again over the summer. Still disappointed I won't graduate in June like I wanted to, but hey, might just take a semester off, honestly. And then I might start up again going for my bachelor's after the new year, so right around this time next year. Okay, that's a good plan. That's a good plan. He's got this all planned out. At least he got something planned out. That's true. Okay. I do have things planned out. Any big plans for Sunday? No, not... Well, I kind of do, but I don't know if I want to say on the air. Why not? Because Mom might be watching this later. That's right, your mom follows us here. Right. Which we don't mind. We don't mind. Who else still here? Angie and Rogue. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, we haven't gotten this big audiences like we had the last couple weeks. Hey there, good to see you. Yo, what up? How you doing? Oh. I don't know. Hey Alex, good to see you. Let's just chat for a bit. Tell you about some upcoming stuff that we have. Can you leave the music for a second? There you go. Actually, no, keep playing it. So, we haven't made an announcement about it. You folks are some of the first to know. But, this coming March, we will be doing an educational series on our YouTube page, Bingel Productions. On YouTube. How was our day? It was good. Just preparing for this big snowstorm we're supposed to have tonight. From what we heard from his mom and dad, we're supposed to be getting 8 inches of snow. So that might mean you might not have to go on Friday. That's true. I might not have to go at all on Friday. So, hey, Bree. Good to see you. Good to see you. One sec. Just writing down a little note here on the side. Got it. All right. And how is your day going? 14 degrees. My goodness. What was it, like 20 something here? Let me check real quick. Hold on. Let's see. It is. No, not zip code. Sorry. Weather. That's better. Hey, Dave Queasel's here. What's up, dude? How you doing? We just chatting with you the other day. Right now, it's only 30 degrees out here, where we are in beautiful Maryland. Oh, okay, here it is. Winter storm warning for Maryland. Snow and sleet accumulation around 3 to 6 inches. With ice accumulations around a tenth to a quarter of an inch. Let's see, from 3 a.m. Thursday, so pretty much overnight tonight, to Friday 6 a.m. 3 to 6 inches, on a tenth of an inch. The highest ice accumulation is most likely east of Interstate 95. So yeah, that's fun. Nicholas Lemon, good to see you. Yeah, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. Thankfully, he doesn't have to go on campus tomorrow. He's home on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So, this works out. This definitely works out. Yep, definitely works out. So are you excited for your birthday next week or what? Oh yeah, I'm really excited. I am really excited for my birthday next week. You're excited for your special gift that's coming in. Well, there are a few special gifts that are coming in. I know Mark, my friend Mark is sending me something. Ergy's buddies is sending me something. No kidding. Yeah, and then Liam is going to be sending me something really special. That probably won't be here till after my birthday, I think he said. You're in Alabama, so this is nothing new for you. Really? I thought it would be. Because Texas got some snow recently. That hasn't happened in a while. Really, Alabama's like the last place I'd expect to get snow. One of the last places to get snow. That's interesting. But yeah. Yeah, very strange, very strange. Let's see, we're just checking out the Discords here. Yeah, again, next week is our big Bingel Birthday Bash. That's what we're calling it. The Bingel Birthday Bash. Next Wednesday night, 2 hours long. Be here. Don't miss it. Tonight, we're probably just gonna chill, chat, say hello, and whatever. And check for our video. Because we are expecting a video probably either tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, we're expecting a very special video from a very special friend. Again, we're not telling you who, but it's going to be really special. And he's going to cry. I am going to cry. You know what we were watching earlier? We were watching Puppet Up. Let's see. There was the blizzard of 93 that my parents told me about years ago when they were snowing for weeks. I remember the blizzard. I remember one blizzard we had out here. I think it was 2010. I think it was. Hold on. Sorry, 2009 or 2010? No, not the blizzard of 1978. Although that was a memorable one. But yeah, it was 2010. We had a big storm. Big snowstorm out here in 2010. Then, of course, we had one in, what did you say? 1978? Yeah, 1978 we had one. 1996 we had one. 2010 we had one too. So, wow. Yeah, and then there was one time, he told me there was one time that his power was out for a whole week. Yeah, that was during a hurricane. It was one in 2011. I don't remember the exact name. It was Hurricane Irene, that's what it was. And I'll come in the shot, if you don't mind. Sure. This is Matt Bingel. Hello, everybody. Hello. Aw, thank you. I'll give you a hug. Aw. He's my buddy. Anyway, we had, when Hurricane Irene hit almost a decade ago, our power was out for a whole week. I was supposed to go back to school that Monday. Believe it or not, I was actually supposed to start middle school that Monday. But our power was out for like a whole week, and we didn't even start till after Labor Day. Like 3 years ago, it was made official that our county would have students go back after Labor Day, which used to be a thing up until 1993, out here anyway. And then they switched it in 93 to the week before Labor Day. So, or at least, no, I'm sorry, the last week of August. The last week of August we'd start up. That was up until a few years ago. Yep. You're really excited, aren't you? About what? About your birthday? Oh yeah, I'm excited about my birthday. I really am. I'm really excited about it. Yeah, we're just talking about snowstorms and blizzards. Roche is coming in. No, not the drink blizzard, like an actual blizzard, a snow blizzard. Yep. I was just telling everybody here about the blizzard of 2010. Back in 2012, you had a blizzard hit and schools were still open. That's rough, man. That's rough. Very rough. Yeah, we're also getting snow tonight. Well, not tonight. We're actually technically tonight. We're supposed to be starting to get some snow out here by about 3 a.m. And that's supposed to lead up until Friday morning. So that's why I was telling him he's not sure if he's gonna go to campus because he does both online and on campus. He goes on campus Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then he's home Tuesday, Thursday. So, yeah. So, yep. Why does my nose look weird? I don't know. Because of the light, maybe? Yeah, there's something on it. Oh, you know what it is? I think it might be marker. Marker? Why marker? That's because I was trying to fix your eyes. Oh. Yeah, we're getting snow later tonight. How about you, Jake? How's your... I don't think Jake is that far away from us, is he? I don't think. Aw, Angie, thank you. I'll give you a kiss, too. Thanks. Thank you, Angie. Copenhagen. It's a city in Denmark. Oh. It's a jam. Ha. Anyway, yeah, we're supposed to be getting some snow here till about 3 a.m. No, let me repeat that. We're supposed to start getting snow around 3 a.m. and then it's supposed to last about, what, till 6 a.m. Friday? Yeah, 6 a.m. Friday. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have class on Friday or not. Hey, see. I see. You did get snow before, but you still see that snow is still there on the ground, but it's just gonna melt. Yeah, we still had a little bit of snow from the snow we had before. That was still trying to melt, but now it's just gonna stick. Yep, just gonna stick. Have we watched WandaVision?
Not yet, but we've heard about it. By the way, speaking of Disney Plus, Muppet Show this Friday, baby. Woohoo! All 5 seasons. That's right. All 5 seasons of the Muppet Show on Disney Plus, starting on Friday. I personally feel that Disney Plus is gonna crash. I feel like Disney Plus is gonna crash because so many people want to see the Muppet Show on Disney Plus, and now they're gonna see it. All 5 seasons. Well, this sucks. Why does it suck? Because I had the first 3 seasons on DVD. Oh, yeah, that's right. You do. Oh, I feel bad for you. Yeah, I had the first 3 seasons on DVD. And I know. We know a lot of people who are going to be binge watching it. Showbiz Mouse, how are you? Good to see you. We're just chatting about snowstorms and other stuff, like the Muppet Show coming to Disney Plus in less than 2 days now. How many hours do we want to say? 29 hours, I guess. Let's see, 28 almost. 28 hours? Yep. It's just like counting down to New Year's. Except it's not a new year, it's a new show on Disney Plus. It's not new. It's new to Disney Plus, okay? Give me a break. Hey, it's our friend Alex Paris. How you doing, pal? Good to see you. I'm here too. What's up, Alex? Now hide. What were we talking about earlier? Oh yeah, Puppet Up. We watched Puppet Up earlier, and it is hilarious. Those who don't know what Puppet Up is, it's basically a puppet version of Whose Line Is It Anyway? Pretty in a nutshell, pretty much. Check it out. It's on YouTube. Yeah, we're doing great. We're just preparing for our big snowstorm we're having later tonight, because we are supposed to get about 3 to 6 inches, although according to my parents, they say 8. So we don't know. So we'll just say somewhere between 3 and 8 inches of snow between 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Eastern tonight, and then up until 6 a.m. Eastern time on Friday. Don't worry, we're staying safe. Oh, you remember watching Puppet Up? Nice. Well, I don't know if we're going to get snowed in. I'm not sure. If he doesn't have class on Friday, then technically he's snowed in. Well, he's got a point. But yeah, we were talking about Puppet Up earlier, and we watched it because we heard about it from some friends of ours. It is hilarious. It is absolutely hilarious. It is not for kids, okay? Well, let's get that straight. It is not for kids. Then again, I guess puppetry kind of isn't for kids. I mean, there are kids who do puppetry, but I know, Darcy Lynn, but that's different. That's ventriloquism. This is puppetry. Why am I talking about puppetry? You talk about it. All right. Okay. Those who don't know what Puppet Up is, it is a thing that happened. Why did I say it like that? There was a puppet game show on GSN. You know, speaking of puppet game shows on GSN, I saw a puppet. They had these puppeteers on. Thank you, Alex. You think this week's good? Next week with my big birthday bash, it's going to be huge. 2-hour show next week. It's going to be a lot of fun next week. Anyway, back to the puppet game show. There was this one puppet. His name is Cucumber. He was on that GSN game show, America Says, recently. Well, not recently, but the show aired again recently. And it was so cool seeing other puppeteers on TV, which is awesome. Marty Munster and I, we're hoping to do some TV stuff probably the next, 2-3 years, I hope. We're already working on an educational series. One of these days, we're hopefully going to pitch it to MPT, which is Maryland Public Television. We're hopefully going to pitch that probably in a year or two, maybe. We're going to post it to our YouTube page. We're going to post our first episode probably mid-March. Let's see. We'll definitely premiere it on Saturday mornings, I'll tell you that, because Who doesn't love Saturday mornings? Especially for cartoons and educational shows, although our educational shows are going to be better. We are thinking of a premiere date of Saturday, March 13th. We've already filmed the first episode. That's done. So, yep. Yep, for, I don't really know what else to really talk about. If you are getting snow tonight, please make sure you're safe, of course. Well, you always have to be safe, but if you're not going out tonight, don't go out, because it is going to get dangerous. Or even not even until Friday, really. But yeah, some of you know I started up a brand new semester of college a couple weeks ago, and I'm taking 3 classes. An accounting course, ancient history course, which I really love, and biology course. Biology is a part of my general education requirements. And all those are great classes. I'm really enjoying them so far. I may have to take English again. Late Night Liars. I don't know if I've heard... Why I sound southern there for a second? I don't think I've heard of that show. Late Night Liar. No, I never heard of it. Oh, that's why it was only on for a short time. It's only on 8 episodes. Yeesh. That's probably why. GSN. It was on the wrong network. Ugh. See, yeah, I feel like if I were to run some networks, I feel like some of them would not really fit in with the network itself. Like Late Night Liars. I felt like that could be more like, I don't know, TBS or something like that. Honestly, but let's see. Yeah, if I don't know, Puppet Up started out in 2006, and it became a special in late 2006, I think it was. Yep, here it is. It first aired in 2007. It was filmed filmed as part of HBO and AEG Live's Comedy Festival. TBS produced an hour-long television special from these shows that 5 days later, so about November 2006. TBS also ordered 30 web-exclusive episodes of Puppet Up for their Laugh Lab video service on TBS.com in March of 2007. Puppet Up Uncensored performed at Knott's Scary Farm for the event's 2019 season, September 20th through November 2nd of last year. January 27th, Puppet Up will become Celebrity Puppet Up Uncensored. It was a new game show, began performing at the Jim Henson Company lot right after the weekend shows. I didn't know they did weekend shows. That's pretty interesting. But, yeah, it's a little bit about Puppet Up. It's basically improv but with puppets. I think some friends and I are definitely going to try it out one night, and, who knows? Yep. So yeah. That's it. Let's talk about next week. Yeah, I don't think we're going to go on too long tonight. We don't really have a plan. We just want to come on and say hi, do a show, get it over with. Yeah, next week, hold on, I'm going to sit up here. There we go. Next week, ladies and gentlemen, is, not this coming Sunday, but the following Sunday, the 28th. I'm going to turn my music again. I'm going to get annoyed. Next, not this coming Sunday, but the following Sunday is my birthday. Yay! Woohoo! You're excited, aren't you? Of course I am. It's your birthday. I feel like we're going to get this question, so I'll just answer it now. Does Marty Munster have a birthday? Yes, he does. He does have a birthday. It is on May 27th. Because that's the day he came in. Yep. I always remember that day. Very, very exciting day for me and for Matt and for all of our new friends. At the time, new friends. But it was so exciting when I first came here. Now it's been almost 9 months, almost, since I've been here. Yep, just about 9 months. Does anybody have any questions for me? I'd be more than happy to answer them. You can put it either in the Q&A section, or you can type them in the comments. I still remember the theme song. That theme song's really catchy, not gonna lie. Pop it up, pop it up, pop it up. Ha! We want to start doing some on-location shows one of these days. Not for Bingo Live, but just in general. Go out to like libraries and schools and do some shows. Of course, when it's safe, of course. Yeah, favorite Muppet character? If you're talking in general, probably have to be Kermit. Complete side note, you know what we were watching earlier? Turn on the music again. You know what we were watching earlier? It was an old sketch from the Muppets from the 60s. First introduced in, 1963? 63, yeah. And, they performed it in Puppet Up Uncensored. If you haven't seen videos on YouTube, check it out. It's awesome. The name's on the tip of my tongue. On the tip of my tongue. I've grown accustomed to your face. That's what it was. Yeah, it was one of the Muppets' best segments ever. Yeah, it was really great. Yeah, that if anybody asks what our favorite skit is, or song, well, not song, because that's different. Favorite skit, it would have to be that one. That I've grown accustomed to your face, because that is hilarious. Yeah, it's wonderful, and hilarious too. Yep. Does anybody else have any other questions for us, or for me, or for Matt down here? Yeah. Are you tired? I am a little tired, yeah. I've had a weird sleep schedule recently. Like it's an hour off, like almost every night. Sunday, let's see, let me think. Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, I get up. No, yes, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, I go to bed at like 10, 11 o'clock. Because I need to get up for the bus the next morning. He takes the bus to college. I don't mind. I don't mind taking the bus. It's really not that bad. It's not like the city where it's terrible. Or a lot of things are terrible. Facts. Favorite Doctor Who character? Ooh, we've never really gotten into Doctor Who. I'm gonna be honest, we never really got into Doctor Who. We'll definitely look into it though. We'll get back to you on that whenever we can. Let's see, where were we? No, I was picturing it, but oh yeah, sleep schedule. Oh yeah. So Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, I usually go to bed around 10, 11 o'clock. And then Monday and Wednesday, I usually stay up a little later because I'm home the next day. I usually get up at 8:30 so I can start my online classes at 9. It's on HBO Max. Cool. Well, definitely have to check that out. Yeah, and then Saturday, I just go to bed really, really late. Like, I don't know, sometime between 12 and 2 a.m. Yeah, because we're party animals. Yep. I used to be a morning owl, but now I'm not. I'm not really much of a morning person anymore. I like to stay up. I guess my body's kind of nocturnal, I guess. Because for some reason, I don't know why. usually tired during the day and not tired at night. I don't know why. Well, never mind that. Never mind that. Yeah, so, once again, folks, next week is Matt's big birthday bash. The Bingel Birthday Bash next Wednesday night on this show. It's going to be 2 hours long, and we'll go all 2 hours. We'll have some special friends come on. It'll be a lot of fun, but we didn't really have much plans for tonight, so I think we're going to call it here. Thanks so much for joining us. For Matt Bingel, I'm Marty Monster. Thanks for joining us. You have a great night, and we might go out this weekend. I don't know. We'll see you next week for the big birthday show. Good night. Haha.